welcome back today. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. It is just below. And if you're regularly come back, hello, welcome back today. So today I'm going to show you how to make these absolutely yummy, scrumptious, just great for Halloween. That was quite loud, wasn't it? Great for Halloween spider cookies. That's what I'm going to call them. They are super yummy. So let's get into this video, guys, and show you how I made them. Okay, so first off, in a bowl I'm going to mix together the butter and the caster sugar, and then I'm going to add in the soft brown sugar. You want to make sure that the butter is at room temperature. This is going to make it so much easier to mix the sugar in. So now I'm going to sieve in the soft brown sugar. That's because it's got kind of bits in it that are quite hard, so we don't want that in our spider cookies because it won't be nice. So once again, I'm just going to mix in the sugar. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to add the egg next. I got no shell. Yay! First time in ages. It feels like I haven't baked in ages. I feel like summer I don't bake at all, and then when autumn comes, it's just like bake, which I absolutely love. I don't know why though, in just summer I'm just like, my head's not thinking about bacon. I think it's because I kind of try and be a little bit healthier in summer, and bacon is not super healthy. Well, my whisk broke. That's great. We're going to have to move on to electric whisk. I'm not a massive fan of electric whisk because they make so much noise, but they do make it quicker. Oops. So now I'm going to put in the chocolate chips. You don't have to put these in. You could put peanut butter in, you could put white chocolate chips, you could leave it plain, you could do whatever you like at this stage. But I like chocolate chips, so I put chocolate chips in. So I'm just going to fold them in a little bit, and then I'm going to sieve in the flour. So now that they're all mixed together, I'm going to place them on this grease-free paper and then put them in the oven for around about 7 minutes. It depends on how you kind of want your cookies and how big you want them. It depends on how long they take to cook. Don't forget to leave space between the cookies, otherwise they will flatten and kind of be one big cookie, unless you want one big cookie. So dependent on how big you want your cookies depends on how much this mixture will make. So the bigger the cookie, the less cookies you make. The smaller the cookie, the more cookies you make. So now I'm going to place these cookies in the oven for around about 7 minutes until they're kind of a little bit golden on the edges, but not super gold because then they will be rock hard. But if you like rock hard cookies, put them in for longer. So now this is my favourite bit, and it is decorating these cookies to look like spiders. So I'm using mini rolos to make the spider's body, but it's really up to you what you use. And I'm using melted chocolate on some of them for legs, or I'm using black icing sugar. So these cookies aren't like, they're still warm, so this is really good. So it's going to melt the rolos. So the easiest way I find to put on these spiders is to put a little bit of chocolate on the bottom of the rolo, push it down onto the cookie, and then use the black icing sugar for the legs. And then I'm using red icing sugar to make the fangs. And give the spider some eyes. So there you go guys, this is how to make spider cookies for Halloween, which I absolutely love. I can't wait to eat them, and I love decorating, so it was really fun to do. I hope you liked that video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, don't forget to click that subscribe button, it is just below. I hope you guys have a lovely day and have a spooky Halloween.